the world of modern architecture, black is more than a color, it is a statement. This luxury contemporary black house stands as a bold testament to sophistication and innovation. Designed for those who appreciate both elegance and cutting-edge design, this residence blends striking aesthetics with a seamless connection to nature. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to ensure that this home is not just a place to live, but a living piece of art. Two, the allure of a black exterior, the deep, matte black façade instantly captivates, standing in dramatic contrast against the surrounding greenery. The interplay of textures, from smooth concrete to subtly reflective glass, adds depth and intrigue, allowing the home to transform under shifting daylight. More than just visually stunning, this dark exterior offers a sense of exclusivity and privacy, wrapping the residence in an air of mystery while maintaining a sophisticated and welcoming presence. Stepping through the main entrance, guests are greeted by a breathtaking interplay of light and shadow. Expansive floor-to-ceiling glass panels create an immersive experience, drawing the outside in while maintaining a sense of enclosure. The minimalist yet luxurious entrance hall introduces a refined material palette of polished stone, warm wood, and sleek black metal, elements that set the tone for the rest of the home's impeccable interior design. The heart of the home, the living room, embraces an open-concept layout that exudes both warmth and drama. Oversized black leather furnishings, custom-designed light fixtures, and sculptural decor create an ambience that is at once intimate and grand. Textural contrasts, such as plush area rugs against polished floors, add depth to the space, making it a perfect sanctuary for relaxation and sophisticated social gatherings. Sleek, functional, and breathtakingly stylish. The kitchen is a culinary haven designed for both professional chefs and design enthusiasts alike. Deep black cabinetry with a subtle sheen contrasts against marble countertops with bold white veining. High-end appliances seamlessly blend into the design, ensuring both beauty and functionality. An expansive island serves as both a workspace and a social hub, where culinary creativity meets effortless elegance. Luxury extends into the private quarters, where the master bedroom becomes a sanctuary of tranquility. Dark wood paneling, ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling curtains create an atmosphere of pure relaxation. A neutral-toned bed sits at the center, surrounded by bespoke furniture that maintains the home's commitment to modern aesthetics. Expansive glass doors open to a private outdoor lounge, blurring the boundary between indoor elegance and natural serenity. A modern retreat in its own right, the bathroom is designed for those who seek daily indulgence. Black marble walls, sleek fixtures, and mood lighting transform this space into a private spa experience. A floating vanity with integrated lighting adds a futuristic touch, while the oversized rainfall shower and deep soaking tub invite relaxation. This bathroom is not just a necessity, it is a daily escape into luxury. Luxury extends beyond the walls of this home, as the outdoor spaces are carefully designed to complement its striking architecture. A minimalist black stone terrace frames an infinity-edge pool that mirrors the sky, creating a breathtaking visual effect. Lush, curated landscaping softens the bold design, introducing a balance between structure and nature. Whether hosting guests or enjoying quiet solitude, this outdoor area is a true extension of refined living. Beyond its aesthetics, this home integrates the latest in smart home technology to enhance comfort and efficiency. From automated lighting systems that adjust to the time of day to advanced climate control that maintains perfect ambience, every feature is designed for effortless living. The fusion of technology and design ensures that every experience within this home is as seamless as it is luxurious. This luxury contemporary black house is more than just a residence. It is a celebration of modern design and refined living. It challenges conventional aesthetics, proving that darkness can be just as inviting as light when used with precision and care. A home that stands bold yet harmonious, striking yet serene. It is a timeless architectural marvel that will continue to inspire for generations to come.